Earlier in the week, GitHub sent out emails letting users know that a number of passwords were accidentally stored in plain text logs due to a bug, and that they should reset their passwords as soon as possible. The company says that only a handful of people were affected, and no wider problems have been found. Researchers have discovered a boot ROM vulnerability in the NVIDIA Tegra X1 chip used in the Nintendo Switch and other Android devices. It gives attackers control over early execution, bypassing all signature checks. This means you can install Linux, custom firmware, and run unofficial games. A write-up and code links are available on the researchers' website. The default configuration of Western Digital's MyCloud EX2 storage device allows attackers to bypass authentication to access files over local networks. HTTP requests can be sent to a specific directory over port 9000 to access a list of all files, which can then be used to directly access individual files. Schneider Electric recently patched a remote code vulnerability in their industrial control system software, which is used by oil, gas and manufacturing businesses. Researchers found that carefully crafted packets could allow an attacker to potentially write executable code, which is obviously dangerous when industrial systems are increasingly being connected to networks. Researchers over at Sophos recently found a URL redirect vulnerability in Google Maps, which scammers have been exploiting. Simply edit the end of a legit Google Maps URL, and due to an open redirection vulnerability, you can redirect a user to any other address. Unlike Google's soon-to-be defunct URL shortener, anyone can redirect anything on the fly without an account, plus there's no easy way to report scam addresses. The people at F-Secure have designed an RFID device which basically acts like a master key, granting access to all doors using the widely adopted Vision electronic lock system. The attackers first need a legitimate key, and from that the device derives a master code, granting access to all levels and basically opening every door in a building. On this occasion, the F-Secure team decided not to release in-depth details for obvious reasons. Researcher Marius Tividar recently released details about his USB stick of doom after Microsoft refused to issue a security notice last year. This attack uses a specially made image of a Windows NT file system placed on a USB stick and takes advantage of the autoplay feature. As soon as the drive is plugged in, the host system crashes immediately, even when it's locked. If autoplay is off, just clicking the file will also crash the system.